So I've been talking to YouTubers all this time about how we was going to get this out of here, and then we had Randy show up and Don show up. He's got a strong back. He told us he could handle it all by himself. So he slung it over his shoulder like Tarzan wrestling a gorilla, and he flung it on there. He said, y'all got to handle the rest. So now we got Don here. He's working his machinery to winch this thing up on here. Anything I can do to help, buddy? Oh, look at that. That's a beautiful sound. Oh, look at it go. Watch it, your little hand. Watch your little handle. Yeah. We might have to take the screws out and get it.
Would it come out?
Well, I think that one just lets it turn, but it might let it come all the way off if you take it on the way out.
I think you got to take all this off.
It's pretty floppy looking.
Will this unscrew right there?
Well, there's weights on it. I think. Oh.
It looks like that might come off. Oh, there you go.
Happy to get it out of that corner.
Aren't we happy?
Happy. We are happy.
We've been.
We are happy.
Oh, look at that.
You want to stand it up, Junior?
If you can't, watch your fingers. Oh, silly me.
It's catching on the trailer right here. Put in a little more, Don. Oh.
I don't move that.